Have you ever noticed how some business ideas quietly succeed for years before the rest of the world even hears about them? In Japan, innovation isn't always about high-tech gadgets or massive startups. It's often about solving simple, everyday problems in smarter, more efficient ways. Right now, across Asia, a range of machines and business models are already being used in food, services, sustainability, and retail, many of which are still unfamiliar in other countries. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Japanese machines and business concepts that are already operating in real markets today. These examples are shared for educational purposes to show how automation, convenience, and design can support modern businesses. None of this is financial advice, and results can vary depending on location, demand, and how each idea is implemented. Watch until the end, because some of the later ideas are surprisingly simple in concept and focus more on efficiency and scale. If any of these models catch your attention, they can be a starting point for further research and planning in your own market. Number 1. Automatic latte art coffee business. This business uses an automatic latte art machine that prints designs on coffee foam. The machine usually costs between $1,500 and $3,000. Personalized drinks often allow cafes to price specialty items slightly higher than standard beverages. Over time, this added value can improve average order size and encourage customer engagement, especially when shared on social media platforms. Number 2. Private karaoke booth business. Private karaoke booths require an investment of $3,000 to $10,000 per unit. They generate income through time-based usage and are commonly placed in entertainment-heavy locations. Regular foot traffic helps maintain steady utilization without the need for extensive staffing. Number 3. Automatic ramen dispenser business. Automatic ramen dispensers prepare hot ramen with minimal supervision. Startup costs typically fall between $2,000 and $8,000. These machines are commonly placed in high-traffic areas where convenience is valued. With regular daily usage, the machine can gradually offset its initial cost and contribute to ongoing operational income, particularly because it operates for long hours without requiring full-time staff. Number 4. Rest capsule, sleeping pod business. This business uses compact sleeping capsules, each costing around $2,500 to $6,000. Capsules are rented for short periods, making them suitable for high-turnover locations such as transport hubs or campuses. With regular occupancy, the setup can become a reliable service-based operation that supports predictable monthly performance. Number 5. Mochi ice cream business. This business uses a mochi ice cream making machine that automates shaping, filling, and sealing. The machine typically requires an initial investment between $2,500 and $8,000. Mochi ice cream is usually sold as a small premium dessert item, and when produced in batches and sold through cafes or delivery platforms, it can create consistent daily sales volume. When demand is steady, operators often report that the business can cover costs and generate surplus income over time, especially in areas where unique desserts attract repeat customers. Number 6. Plastic bottle recycling machine business. Plastic bottle recycling machines typically require an investment of $2,000 to $6,000. These machines are often supported through recycling partnerships or community programs. While individual transactions are small, long-term value comes from stable usage, environmental incentives, and partnerships that help maintain consistent operational funding. Number 7. Smart greenhouse business. Smart greenhouses rely on automated climate control systems and typically require $4,000 to $15,000 to set up. These systems enable year-round production, which helps stabilize supply for local buyers. Over time, consistent harvest cycles can support steady sales relationships with restaurants or specialty food stores. Number 8. Unusual product vending machine business. This business uses smart vending machines costing approximately $1,000 to $5,000. Income depends largely on product selection and location. When placed strategically, vending machines often become a steady supplemental revenue source rather than a primary income stream, especially when scaled across multiple units. Number 9. 3D ceramic printing business. This business uses ceramic 3D printers priced between $2,000 and $7,000. Custom-designed items often attract higher perceived value due to their uniqueness. When marketed through online platforms or niche buyers, the business can gradually build a sustainable customer base that supports ongoing creative production. Number 10. Ornamental koi fish farming business. This business involves modular ponds and filtration systems, with startup costs beginning around $3,000. Demand for ornamental koi varies by market and quality. With proper care and selective breeding, farmers can gradually build a reputation that supports repeat buyers and stable seasonal sales. Number 11. Cleaning and maintenance robot business. This model is based on autonomous cleaning robots designed for homes, offices, or commercial spaces. Entry costs range from around $500 for basic units to $10,000 for commercial-grade robots. The business typically earns through service agreements or recurring maintenance plans. When used regularly across multiple locations, the setup can provide a predictable monthly cash flow while keeping staffing needs low, making it attractive for long-term operations rather than short-term returns. Number 12. Automatic sushi machine business. Automatic sushi machines typically cost between $300 and $1,500. They help streamline preparation and maintain consistency. When integrated into small food operations, these machines often improve efficiency and allow owners to focus on sales and customer experience, supporting gradual business growth. Number 13. Textile stamping and printing business. Textile printing machines typically cost between $1,000 and $4,000. This business focuses on customization and on-demand production. By serving events, local communities, or online orders, operators often build repeat demand and maintain steady order flow without holding large inventory. Number 14. Electric bicycle charging station business. Electric bicycle charging stations usually cost $1,000 to $3,000 per unit. These stations are often introduced as supporting infrastructure rather than fast return investments. As electric bike usage increases, charging stations can become a regularly used service, contributing to long-term viability rather than immediate returns. Number 15. 24/7 automatic store business. This model uses self-service retail systems with startup costs ranging from $5,000 to $20,000. These stores operate continuously, which helps maximize availability rather than relying on peak hours alone. Over time, consistent customer flow can support sustainable retail performance. This overview highlights how practical design and automation can turn everyday needs into sustainable systems. None of these models relies on novelty alone. Their value comes from efficiency, consistency, and how well they fit the environment they operate in. Any idea discussed here works only when adapted carefully to local conditions, costs, and demand. Viewing them as reference points rather than instructions helps keep expectations realistic and planning focused. For more research-based breakdowns like this, consider subscribing to the channel. New videos explore how real-world systems operate across different industries and regions. Thank you for watching.